Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Humble. Humble means having modest estimate of one's importance. For example, he was humble about his stature as one of rock history's most influential guitarists. He was humble about his stature as one of rock history's most influential guitarists. Synonyms: meek, deferential, respectful.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. A welcome change in this reviewer's humble opinion. Now, repeat after me. A welcome change in this reviewer's humble opinion. The second exempli. That would, in my humble opinion, be much more harmful. Now, repeat after me. That would, in my humble opinion, be much more harmful. The third exempli. At that point, offer your humble apologies and cancel the message. Now, repeat after me. At that point, offer your humble apologies and cancel the message.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.